Hey dolls, so I am back. So I wanted to do a proper intro for this hair, so let's jump into this video. Okay, this hair is from DSoar hair. Let me grab the box real quick. This hair is from DSoar hair, and this is bundles and a frontal that I did sew into a wig. So let's see, I have the Brazilian straight hair in 22, 24, 26, 26, and a 20-inch frontal. And then also I had this little bits of hair left over, about that much hair. So you can see the texture. It's been kind of bunched up in there, so it kind of looks like it has a wave to it. And they also had sent some lashes inside and a little bonnet, which is nice. Any gifts are always nice and appreciated. So that is this hair. So yeah, I did sew the wig, and the hair I had already curled it, but in the video you will still see me go back and kind of like restyle it, touch it up and curl it, cut some layers into it. I did my baby hairs. I really like how this came out because it's like really soft, like I like that. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I got my hair like this, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so y'all have saw me do this many of times. Okay, so I just wanted to come and talk to y'all about a topic that has been, you know, kind of coming up a lot in my head and just seeing videos and pictures and stuff like that. So I want to talk about plastic surgery, body modifications, all of that kind of stuff in this video. I don't know if this video is going to be long enough for me to talk about this topic. If y'all want another video, let me know. But basically, I have been seeing a lot of people get plastic surgery, BBLs. People are getting lip injections, breast enhancement surgeries, all kind of stuff like that. And it is a trend, as most of y'all know. But I feel like whenever you are on Instagram and stuff like that, a lot of people are more pressured into getting it, even if they have always felt comfortable in their bodies and they never had a problem with their bodies. They are seeing all of these fake bodies online, and it is making them want to get the same thing because it's very repetitive. Everyone that you're following pretty much these days has had surgery and stuff like that. And I'm just kind of sick of it. Like, I don't have any surgeries whatsoever, as y'all know. Never had a BBL, never had any stomach surgery, lip injections, none of that kind of stuff. Of course, I get my nails done. I wear a weave. I wear lashes, stuff like that. But all of the stuff that I have are things that can be taken off. And recently, this really came up in my head, and like I really wanted to talk about it because I was reached out to by a company that does fund surgery, and basically all I would have had to do is film some videos showing you dolls my process on getting my surgeries done, which everyone does anyway, and just show you their recovery and their process of getting their surgeries done. And I wouldn't have had to pay for surgery. I could have got a BBL, I could have got a breast augmentation, a nose job, whatever I wanted to get. But honestly, I love my body and I would not get surgery. The only way I would get surgery is if I had some kids and I had worked out and did everything I could do. If my stomach wouldn't go back flat or something like that, then possibly I would do it. And I'm not saying anything is wrong with getting surgeries, especially in that situation, or if you have lost a lot of weight, you have extra skin that you need to have removed and stuff like that. I don't think anything is wrong with it. I know some people about to be pissed off because surgery is the new norm and so many people are just riding the wave of getting these surgeries. But I have seen lots of girls who have nice bodies to start off with, and they're still not happy with their bodies because they are on social media and seeing all of these fake bodies. So I feel like a lot of times people have hidden insecurities. Like, even if you are looking at a person and you think, oh, she's pretty, like, why would she get surgery? Or she got a nice body, I already like her body, so why would you get the surgery? People have hidden insecurities, and there are certain things that people do not like about themselves. And honestly, I feel like in order to get the surgery, because some people are going to say, you don't have to be insecure to get the surgery. Yes, you have to have some kind of insecurity within yourself for you to go under the knife and get this surgery done. I don't care what anyone says. Y'all could come for me, but that is how I feel, because The only way you're going to do this is if you have some kind of issue, because if you have no insecurities whatsoever and you are comfortable with your body, why would you get the surgery? Like, it just doesn't make any sense. And although you see this stuff online all day, and the girls who are popping on Instagram, the girls who dating the rappers, the singers, the NBA players, the NFL players, stuff like that, a lot of them have their bodies done, and these are the people that you are following. So it makes you feel like, oh, well, you know, I could be popping like this too if I go and get my body done or whatever. But the insecurity still usually remains, because you see a lot of people going in for a second round of BBLs and stuff like that, because once they get the surgery done, they are still not happy, and they're still searching for that security within their self that they are willing to go under the knife yet again for the surgery. Now, I'm not saying anything is wrong whatsoever. Like I said, if you have a kid, or if you lose a lot of weight or something like that, and you have worked out, you have dieted, you've exercised, all of that, and nothing is working for you, especially in the case if you are a lot heavier and you lose a lot of weight, no matter what, a lot of times, no matter what working out you do, you will have to get that skin removed, depending on how heavy you were to begin with and how small you end up being. So I'm not saying anything is wrong with it, and I feel like plastic surgery is good for things like that. But I think we should all love our bodies, and this is what God made us to be. Like, I know some people probably gonna be like, but girl, you got a nice body. Like, that's easy for you to say. But I just feel like it's an insecurity thing, and I feel like it's a trend, and it's just been annoying me and on my heart, especially with a company reaching out to me to have surgery done. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of come and talk about this topic in this video. Y'all can leave any information down below that you think about this topic. And if you're considering getting the surgery, really think about why you're doing it, and don't just do it because it's a trend that is going on. Like, if you just totally feel insecure and whatever, then okay, whatever. I don't have an issue with anybody getting surgery, because at the end of the day, it's your body. You do what the hell you want to do with your body. But I won't be getting no surgery, so y'all don't got to worry about me switching up, getting no BBLs and stuff like that. Now, like I said, after I have kids, if I can't lose my stomach or something like that, then 9 times out of 10, I wouldn't mind having a little liposuction or something like that. But it will be after I see that, you know, I have done everything and it's just not happening. So yeah, y'all let me know down below what y'all think about this topic, and let me know if y'all want some more talk throughs like this, talking about trending topics and stuff like that. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look of this hair. If you have questions, you can leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
J. Rossi made the beat.